Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our chapter 2 of class 7, that is fraction and decimals. From exercise 2.1, we have one question number 1. So we need to solve it. The question is 2 minus 3 by 5. We have to solve that questions. 2 minus 3 by 5, right? So we need to equalize first both the fraction. So we let here denominator as 1, okay? We take a denominator 1. So we need to take LCM of both denominators. Right? So here is denominator 5, here is denominator 1. We need to cross multiplication. From this denominator we need to multiply this fraction, both numerator and denominator, and here we need to multiply both numerator and denominator. So 2 5 ja 10, 5 1 ja 5, 3 1 ja 3, 5 1 ja 5. Now we get the denominator same in both the fractions, that is 5. Then we can solve it. We will take one denominator from both fractions, that is 5, because it is common. So 5, we need to divide this. 5 1 ja 5. We got 1. Let me tell you clearly. From this we will take denominator this. 5 1 ja 5. So we need to multiply it here. So 10 1 ja 10. We will put it here. Then again 3 by 5. We will take this denominator. We will get 1. From 1 we will to multiply the numerator 3. So 3 1 ja 3. So here we got 7 by 5. That is our answer. Okay. Let's do next question. 4 plus 7 by 8. Right. Again we have to take 1 as denominator by 4, because we need to equalize both fractions. So 1 plus 7, 8. We need to multiply this denominator with the first equation, first fraction, this, and from this 1 into 1. So we will have 4 8 ja 32, 8 1 ja 8, plus 7 by 8. Now that is easy. To take common denominator, that is 8. Again we need to solve. 8 divide by this denominator 8. We will get 1. Again multiply 1. 32 1 ja 32, plus 7 by 8, denominator 8. 1 again 7. So we will have 39 by 8. We can divide it because here is improper fractions. We can take mixed fraction from it if you want. Otherwise you up to this is question also right. 8 4 ja 32, 7. So the answer is 4 is to 7 by 8. We can write like that also. Okay. Now let's start our question number 3 of question number 1. Part 3 of question number 1, that is 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. Right. We need to equalize both the fractions. Again, 5 plus 2 by 7 into, we will multiply from this denominator 7 with 3 by 5 and 5 with 2 by 7, right? So we will have 3 7 ja 21 by 5 7 ja 35 plus 2 5 ja 10 by 3 5 ja 35, right? Now we will have both denominator are same, then we can take 1 from both of them. Again we will equalize it. 35 divided from this 35 divided from this 35, we will have 1. Then we will go and multiply with 21, we will have 21 again, right? Then we will take our next fraction, that is 10 by 35. Divide, again we will divide from this denominator, we will have 1, we will multiply with 1, we will have 10, then we will have 31 by 35. The question is solved. Okay, now come to the next question, part 4, question 1, part 4. 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15, right? Again we will equalize both 9 by 11 into 15 minus 4 by 15 into 11, right? Now we will have 11, 15 1 15, 15 1 15 and 1 16, 15 9 ja 135 minus 11 4 ja 44 by 165, right? Now again we will take common denominator. Now we need to divide this denominator from this. We will have 1, again go to that, multiply with 135, again we will have 135. That is the procedure actually, right student? If you will found that here is the same number is coming again and again, but I am telling you the procedure. If we will have something different, then we will go from this procedure also, right? So again we will have 1 multiply with 1 and 44. 9 7 no, sorry, we need to deduct 44 from 135, 1 and then 9. Here we will have 91 by 165 answer, right? Here we solve this question. Now we have the question number 5. Question number 1, part number 5. 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. Okay. So what's the difference? We will have 3 fractions here. Earlier we will multiply the denominator from the both sides, but here we have 3 fractions. So don't worry here. We need to take LCM. We need to take LCM of it, or in other words, I can say we need to equalize these denominators. Even these are 3, 4, any or multi-fractions. Okay. So one way is we need to take LCM. 5, 10, 5 and 2, right? So we need to divide from the table of 2. 2 5 is 10. 5 is not going. 2 1 is 2. Again we are going to take a table 5. 5 1 is 5. 5 1 is 5. So we will have here 2 into 5. So it's a 10. So we need to equalize these denominator. Uh, we need to take it as a 10. So we will multiply. Here we need to multiply with 1 plus 2 by 5. Here we need to multiply with 2. 2 5 is 10. Okay. And here we need to multiply with 5. So we will have 10 as denominator in all three fractions. 7 by 10 plus 4 by 10 plus 3 by 10, right? So we will take a common denominator 10. Again 7 by 10 need to divide by this denominator. We will have 1 multiply with this. So we will have 7 plus 4 by 10 by 10 is equal to 1 multiply by 1. 4 1 is 4. And then we need to divide from this 1 into 1. 3 1 is 3. Right? So we will have 7 and 7 14 by 10. Right? This is our answer. This is improper fraction. If you want to go it and you want to calculate is as 2 4 3. One second, we did something wrong here. Here we have 3 5 is 15. Right, my mistake. So we will have 11 and 15, that is 26. Right? So we need to deduct it also. 2 1 is 2 3 is. We need to reduce it. 2 5 is 13 by 5. Right? Now we need to divide 13 by 5. 5 to 10. Here we will have 2 is to 3 by 5. Answer. Right? We forgot to multiply 5 here with the 3. So we will multiply here 3 5 is 15, 2 5 is 10. We will take a common denominator. Then we will divide all these three fractions. Here was 15, my mistake. And we will have 13 by 15, 13 by 5. Then we will divide it and we will have a mixed fraction 2 is to 3 by 5. The next question is question number 6. What it said? 2 is to 2 by 3 plus 3 is to 1 by 2. Right? So students, here we will have a mixed fraction. Do you know the formula to solve the mixed fractions? Okay, I'll tell you. We need to multiply this whole number with the denominator. Right? Then what we will have? We need to plus with the numerator. Okay? We will put these signs here. So put carefully these signs. 2 3 is 6 plus 2 by 3. Right? Plus again 3 2 is 6 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 6 to 8 by 3 plus 7 by 2. Now we will have, as earlier we will have a common, we will have a very normal fractions. Okay, we need to equalize both the denominator. So we will multiply this with 2 with 2 With this 3 we need to multiply this fraction, 3 and 3. So we will have 8 to the 16 by 6. 2 3 ja 6 plus 7 3 ja 21 by 6. Right. We will have common fractions. Then we can take a common. Again we need to divide 16 by 6 with this 6. Have 1. Multiply with this, we will have 16 plus again 21 by 6 divide by 6, have 1, multiply by 1, we will have 21. Right? So 21, 7, 3 by 7. Right? We need to divide it. 37 by 7, 7 5 is 35. Have 2. So we will have the answer 37 by 7. So we will have 5 is to 2 by 7. Right? This is our answer. So last part of this question is question number 7, that is 8 is to 1 by 2 minus 3 is to 5 by 8. Right, students? So we need to again do the last formula. What we did? Here we need to multiply, here we need to add, here we need to multiply, here we need to add. So 8 2 ja 16 plus 1 by 2 minus 3 2 ja 24 plus 5 by 8. 16 1 17 by 2 minus 29 by 8. Right? So we need to equalize both the fractions again. 8 2 4 ja 8. 8 1 ja 8. Okay. We will take 17. So here we got 8 minus 8. 17 4 ja 68 minus 21 minus 20. 29 1 ja 29. We will get both fractions equal, right? We will take 1 as common denominator. Again we need to 68 by 8 divide by this 8 is equal to 1. Multiply by 1, we will have 68 minus 29 minus 8. Divide by this 8 is equal to 1. Multiply by 1, we will have 29. So we need to minus this 29 from 68. We will have 9, 5, 3, 39 by 8. So here we got an improper fraction. We need to divide it. 8 4 ja 32. We will have 7. So we will have 4 is to 7 by 8 as our answer. So these are the questions for exercise 2.1. Question number 1, we solve full questions. Thank you.